Big trouble brews for the Congress party. The Enforcement Directorate has now filed a detailed charge sheet in the high-profile National Herald case naming top Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. The ED's 9 April charge sheet doesn't just stop with the Gandhis. It names Sam Pitroda, Suman Dubey, Sunil Bhandari, Dotex Merchandise and the company Young Indian as co-accused. The allegations that Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, as majority shareholders in Young Indian, took control of properties worth rupees 2,000 crore from Associated Journals Limited for just rupees 50 lakh. The ED says the scam goes deeper, claiming fake donations of rupees 18 crore, bogus advance rent of 38 crore rupees and fictitious ads worth 29 crore rupees were part of the ploy. The charges have been filed under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and the ED has already begun the process to seize 661 crore rupees worth of assets. Congress has hit back, calling this vendetta politics and accusing the government of using ED as a tool for state-sponsored crime. The court has now asked the ED to produce full case diaries and submit documents in proper format by the next hearing on April 25. With the probe originally triggered by BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy back in 2014, the political storm is far from over. Will this case shake up the Congress leadership, or is this just political drama? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.